Hello guys, I have another issue in my Vespa Primavera, which is the key ignition. You insert it, nothing. I need to adjust a little. So guys, be careful when you drive outside in this issue. A while ago I was driving on the highway and then all of the sudden my motorcycle just turned off. So I almost had an accident. And then this issue is really dangerous, but I think it's easy to fix. I'll try to fix it for you guys, and then if it's gonna be fixed, then it's okay. But if it cannot be, then you just need to change the ignition key. That's it. I hope it can be fixed without changing anything. So after I remove the cover, there is two springs in the ignition. One behind the, or sorry, it's in front of the coil. You see my finger there? It's a spring. You need to remove it. And then one in the middle, like you see me, I'm pushing. You see the small thing? This one is in front of the coil, and then this one in the middle. So the issue is the coil behind. You can see the coil. If you want to change it, then you can change it. I think it's not that expensive. Or if you want, you can just clean it like me. So I'll clean, or I have already cleaned mine. I'm just showing you. I will just show you how I do it. So this is the key ignition. This is the spring in the middle. Yeah. So this is the coil inside, as you can see. Um, let's just open it like this way, and then clean up. Yes, clean it up and down, and then don't touch anything in this, stuff. You see this spring, be careful with it. Don't remove it. I mean, don't lose it. And then this copper, you need to clean up this copper inside. So just bring any tool that you have, something sharp, not that sharp. It's anything. You see, it's like it's rusted. It's yellowish rusted. So you put spray, and then after I have already put spray, the cleaning spray, and then or alcohol or whatever, and then you just clean it. You see, it's so rusty. Just clean it one by one, and then wait for the good result. I'll show you how I clean it. um, I'm just fixing the camera. Yeah, just remove this yellowish thing, the rust. Don't push too much hard. So that's everything. I assemble already the cover, everything, the ignition. It's worked well. I hope that video gonna help you guys. I'm so sorry I'm not professional with the videos. Uh, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you like the video. That's gonna help my channel to grow.